Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix iPhone lock screen widgets not updating. For that, the first thing that you must do is turn on lock screen widgets. For that, head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, what you'll have to do is look for Face ID and passcode. Scroll down to find Face ID and passcode, or you can also head over to search and then search for Face ID and passcode. Simply tap on Face ID and passcode. Once you're inside, you'll have to enter your passcode of your device. Once you have entered your password, what you'll have to do is scroll down and then find allow access when locked and then toggle on widgets. Once you have done that, what you'll have to do is head over to your app background refresh. For that, what you'll have to do is simply head back over to settings on your device. Inside settings, what you can do is simply tap on general. Once you're inside general, what you can do is scroll down to find background app refresh and then simply toggle on background app refresh. You must also head over to your quick settings on your device and disable low power mode. And what you can also try and do is simply long press on the power button, turn off your device and turn it back on. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.